Today I'm taking a look at the BedStory 3-inch memory foam topper. Got instructions. So that is awesome. This is very well vacuum packed, so you can save a lot of space, which means that probably the best thing to do would be to take this directly to the bed before you undo it. It is going to take a little bit for the air to kind of fluff it up. And this is the queen size. Wow. That's actually really cool. I mean, there is a lot of material covering this thing, so they want to make sure that it is well protected. Let's see what happens when we pop it. Now you can hear the air rushing in. That is cool. So it might not actually take that long to fluff up. Yeah, it is already starting to stiffen up. So this is kind of cool. They got it strapped, so it's kind of holding itself together. But this is what's going to go over top of the mattress to hold this thing down so that it doesn't slide around. I do like that it is very stretchy, which is going to be important for me because we got a fairly tall mattress. It looks like the bottom is kind of a plastic material, which could be actually kind of cool because that way if you like spill anything on the bed, you don't have to worry about that soaking into the mattress. So this could actually protect the mattress. It's also going to help to prevent it from sliding around. So yeah, that is a very cool idea. I like that they did that. Then we got this breathable mesh on the inside, so that way when it squishes down and it opens up, it's always going to be taken back its shape. It's going to be able to push air out and pull it back in without any problem. And then a very nice soft material that goes on the top. That is awesome. I'm looking forward to that. And so there it is. And it is still inflating. But looking at that thing, just the amount of squish like this, I wish I had got something like this sooner. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is heaven. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. All right, cool.